Slow cinematic pan around a shiny modern car. Transparent cutaway revealing seats, driver, passengers, and cargo space. Light gleams off the metallic paint while the inner steel frame subtly rotates into view. Soft studio reflections, smooth dolly movement. Side-by-side comparison of a rugged off-road SUV with separate body and frame and a modern sedan with unibody design. Clean technical illustration style with realistic textures. Bright neutral background, high clarity. Highly detailed 3D view of a modern gasoline engine in a car's front compartment. Labels showing intake, exhaust, fuel delivery, and cooling systems. Realistic metal textures, clear lighting, 8K detail. Cutaway animation style still showing 4 stages. Intake, compression, power, exhaust. Pistons, valves, and spark plug firing in vivid detail. Clean diagram overlay with realistic metallic parts. Split image showing manual gear system with clutch and shift lever, and automatic gear selector in drive. Gearbox cutaway showing internal gears and shafts. High detail render, workshop background. 3-car diagram showing front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, and all-wheel drive power flow. Arrows indicating torque direction, labeled components like propeller shaft and transfer case. Clean, modern infographic with realistic textures. Cutaway view of a car's wheel with McPherson strut suspension in the front and torsion beam in the rear. Detailed parts like springs, shocks, control arms, and anti-roll bar. Studio lighting, mechanical blueprint style. Close-up of alloy wheel with tubeless tire, plus comparison of an older tire with inner tube. Tread patterns and air chamber cross-section clearly visible. High resolution, sharp focus macro photography style. Driver's view from inside a modern car showing steering wheel, brake pedal, and digital throttle display. HUD-style overlays for torque output and gear selection. Realistic cockpit lighting with emphasis on technology. Camera moves through engine bay, highlighting battery, alternator, and starter motor. Glowing lines trace electricity flow to headlights and dashboard. Dynamic lighting effects with gentle camera glide. Alloy wheels spinning mid-air. Tire tread detail in macro view. Light reflecting on polished metal rim. McPherson strut suspension, compressing and rebounding as wheel moves over simulated road bumps. Realistic road texture. Alloy wheels spinning mid-air. Tire tread detail in macro view. Light reflecting on polished metal rim. McPherson strut suspension compressing and rebounding as wheel moves over simulated road electric car motor with glowing copper coils rotating slowly. High-tech lab background. Lens flare effects. Bumps. Realistic road texture.